How do we build a society that helps you lead a freer life? There's an entire industry built around making people think that progressive ideas are funny, to say the least. But I'm here to make the case of why they're not only not that crazy, but also the best chance we have of making sure shit like this lockdown doesn't happen again. Along the way, I'll also be making some pretty terrible jokes. Hey, I'm Nick Storozynski, author of Manufacturing Progress, a book about building a society that works for everyone. This book explores the intersections of power, democracy, and inequality. I was inspired to write this book when COVID-19 left millions without work or healthcare during a pandemic. So how do we take what we learned from that and improve? I'm writing my book for people who probably don't consider themselves political and who definitely don't consider themselves progressive. This book has stories from George Lakoff, cognitive linguist, the economics department at Berkeley, and from some progressives who are soon to be your favorite. The coolest story I share in this book is how progressives in World War II stood up to special interests and won, and how we're going to do it again and build the most successful society that anyone's ever seen. My hope for this book is that you laugh, and then in the back of your mind think, maybe this isn't that crazy. Maybe there's a reason people care about these issues. You'll love this book if you saw billions of dollars of COVID relief money going to corporations and thought, seriously? You'll love this book if you like a good laugh. And you'll like this book if you wish people talked about this stuff but didn't take themselves so seriously. My name is Nick Storozynski, and I'm the author of Manufacturing Progress, a book about building a society that lifts us all up.